Now we have the present perfect continuous. This one can be one of the most difficult tenses for beginners learning English. However, its good use allows to express actions or different time ranges to other types of present. So it's very useful in conversations about activities that are in progress. Here we have the structure of the present perfect continuous. First, we have the affirmative form. We have the subject, then the auxiliary plus been, then the verb with termination ing, and finishing with the complement. So we have I have been swimming all day. Or in third person, we use she has been swimming all day. Now we have the negative form. It's similar. We have subject, then auxiliary plus not, and then been, and the verb, and finally the complement. So it could be I have not been making noise. Or contracting on the third person could be he hasn't been making noise. And finally, we have the interrogative form. First, we have the auxiliary, then the subject, then the been plus the verb, and finally the complement. Like, have I been eating junk food? Or has she been eating junk food? Now we have when we could use the present perfect continuous. Well, we have two scenarios where it can be used. The first one is with actions that start in the past but are continuing in the present, like I have been looking for a job for 3 months now. And the second one is with actions that start and finish in the past but which results are still continuing in the present, like have you had a haircut? And we have two functions from this. The first one is the time when an action happened, like you have been making the sandwich all morning, and the action over the result, like the neighbors have been making a lot of noise since yesterday. And now we have for and since on the present perfect continuous. Like as we can see, in the past examples we use for and since in every single of them. We use for to refer a period of time, like example days or years. Like I have been waiting for that delivery for 6 months. And since it helps us to specify an exact date on the start of an action. Like the Rolling Stones have been making music together since 1962. And this is how we use the present perfect continuous.